Red more news is coming in. Karnataka BJP is in the streets against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. State BJP chief leads the protest, mega protest march to the CM house. Cops have detained the leaders. At the protest, BJP chief Vijayendra has been detained by the police, is what we know. These are pictures, in fact, coming in from Bengaluru, where cops have detained BJP leaders who were protesting against Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah. State BJP chief leads the protest. The protest march to the CM house has been stopped, with the police here detaining the protesters. Listen in.
The Congress government has looted funds that was meant for tribal welfare. The funds which was meant for development of tribal welfare has been looted by the Congress government, and this money has been diverted during Lok Sabha elections for different states. The minister has already resigned, but he has not called for integration. Other ministers are also involved. And when the Chief Minister himself is heading the finance department, without his knowledge, this loot should not have taken place. So we are demanding CBI inquiry.
Valmiki Nigama, 187 crores money looted by the Congress party. They transferred to Hyderabad, then looted, is gone to jewelry shop, is gone to Lamborghini car showroom, is gone to wine store, bar, looted all the way. This is the poor people money. That's why already one wicket, one minister resigned. We are demanding CM also involved in this case. He have to resign. And the second, Muda in Mysore, CM constituency. That is the 3,400 crores money. CM only involved in this scandal. That's why the two scandal, big scandal, Brahmanda scandals in Karnataka. The Surjewala telling Karnataka is the model for All India Congress. This is the looted Congress. This is the model of All India Congress.
Nagarjun Dwarkanath has more details on that story. Take us to the specifics of what exactly the Valmiki boat scam is against which the BJP is protesting.
Sneha, in fact, the MLAs have been detained. I'm bringing these visuals to you from the Shesharipuram police station. All the MLAs here have been detained of the BJP party by the Bangalore police and brought to the Shesharipuram police station here. Let me try speaking to Mr. Ravi Kumar, who's also the legislator from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Sir, आपको detain किया है, क्या मुद्दा है सर? Protest क्यों कर रहे हैं? मंत्री ने already इस्तीफा दिया है.
ये सिद्धरामैया गवर्नमेंट पूरा का पूरा करप्शन में डूबे हुए है. दो दिन पहले मैसूर में हजारों साइट्स इलीगली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया है. उसमें 14 साइट्स सिद्धरामैया पत्नी को दिया है. एक साइट का रेट होता है 1 करोड़ रुपए होता है. इसलिए पूरा मैसूर में 4 से 5 हजार करोड़ रुपए घोटाला साइट का. वो घोटाला में डायरेक्ट सिद्धरामैया सीएम का हाथ है.
आपका डिमांड क्या है सर आज?
इसलिए वो साइट में पूरा इलीगली डूबे हुए हैं सिद्धरामैया. वो इस्तीफा देना चाहिए, रेसिग्नेशन देना चाहिए. ये हमारा डिमांड है.
As you heard, the legislators say that they are nothing asking but asking for the Chief Minister's resignation. This is the Shesharipuram police station. You can see the posters of former Minister Nagendra being a pura X mark on his face, that Valmiki board corruption scam. Let me also try speaking to another legislator, Mr. Suresh Kumar. Sir, you have been detained, you have been brought to the police station here. You are not allowed to get out of the Chief Minister's residence. What was your demand, sir?
In the recent days, we are seeing total collapse of administration in Karnataka. A minister had to resign following the allegations of corruption in that Valmiki board. And today, CM himself is under dark about the Muda affair. And totally no money is being given for the developmental activities. So it's a cumulative effort. It's a cumulative effort that we wanted to protest. We wanted to show our anger, anguish to the government. But government has not allowed us to protest. They have arrested and brought us here to the police station.
Not just the legislators, but also the party president. If you can see, Mr. Vijayendra also is here. Mr. Ashok is here, a leader of opposition. Sir, आपको भी detain किया है. You have been detained as well today.
Yeah, we protested against the Congress government. They looted 187 crores Dalit fund. That's why already one minister is resigned for this incident. So we are demanding for the CM have to resign because main person, only Nagendra as a minister, 20%, 80% money gone to Siddaramaiah government. That's why we are demanding Siddaramaiah resignation. We will fight in the assembly also. CBI inquiry and Siddaramaiah resignation. It is our demand.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। मेरे साथ इस वक्त आज जुड़े हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता सीटी रवि जी। सर, आपको भी डिटेन किया है। आपका डिमांड है कि इस्तीफा देना था मंत्री का इस्तीफा ऑलरेडी हो चुका है।
वेयर इज मनी? जब्त किया है क्या? कहा गया मनी पूरा लूट लिया, चुनाव के लिए खर्चा किया है। मंत्री इस्तीफा दिया है। कब दिया? हम स्ट्राइक करने के बाद दिया, हम आरोप करने के बाद दिया। उनको अरेस्ट किया है क्या? उनको इंक्वायरी किया है क्या? अभी तक उनको इंक्वायरी किया नहीं, उनके ऊपर गुन्हा दाखिल किया नहीं, केस दाखिल किया नहीं। क्यों? उन्हें बोला है हमारा ऊपर आप केस डालेगा तो हम सच बोलेगा बाहर आकर के, ऐसा उन्हें कहा है। सच बोलेगा तो सीएम से लेकर कांग्रेस वरिष्ठ तक बाहर आ जाता है, उसको भी गिरफ्तार करना पड़ता है।
सर, सीएम का यह कहना है कि मैंने पैसा ही नहीं लिया, जो साइट मुझे मिला है वो बीजेपी सरकार ने दिया है।
स्कैम कौन सा सरकार के समय होता है वो अलग विषय है। ये स्कैम करना ठीक है क्या? समर्थन करता है क्या? उसमें क्या बोला है? उनको लैंड एक्वायर कर दिए तो कहा एक्वायर किया, उसमें 50% देना पड़ता है। कब से? कब नया कानून आया उससे लेकर अब बाद में कब अग्रीमेंट होता है उस समय देना पड़ता है।